नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू स्पोर्टिंग एंजल्स एजुकेशनल स्पेक्ट्रम। सामान्य ज्ञान प्रतियोगिता प्राइमरी कक्षाओं का ये दूसरा सेमीफाइनल एंड आई कैन अश्योर यू वन थिंग, these teams are really well prepared. They will take you to a journey where some of the answers will surprise you. With this assurance, let's have some energy going in the hall. A quick introduction of the second semi-finalist. I'll start with you. Brady Brigade. Tanishka. Ikra. Knowledge knockouts. Unnati. Piyush. Brady Bowl. Anshika. Gunjan. Trivia Troopers. Ansh. Krishna. Mavericks. Rudra. Yes. Well, they have all made it to the semi-finals after going through the written test, and marks scored by them in the written examinations will form a base of the building they form up after that. So this will be the base for you for the journey. From here you will start further. The Brainiac Brigade will start with 69, Knowledge knockout 74. Brady Ball will have a tough task as they are starting with 53. Trivia Troopers 59 and Mavericks will start with 70. You are the leaders of the table. As you all know, the first round will be the buzzer round, the second was the regulation, and the third round will be the rapid fire. So let's start with the first round, the buzzer rounds. Balls in your hands. The throwing the ball first will be given an opportunity to answer my question. Ready teams? Ready teams? Yes, sir. For the first round? Yes, sir. The team throwing the first will be given an opportunity, but you should not be in a haste. Haste makes waste. So please think before you throw the ball. Ready? The first question for you is Pandit Jasraj, Ustad Rasid Khan, Bhimsen Joshi, Kumar Gandharv and Subha Mudgal are famous for. Pandit Jasraj, Ustad Rasid Khan, Bhimsen Joshi, Kumar Gandharv and Subha Mudgal are famous for. Yes? Singing. I'll give you one. Reason being, although the answer should have been Hindustani singing, but as you are from class 4th, as you are from a primary class, I hope the jury verdict is you can be given marks, so you get 10 full marks for your correct answer. They are famous for the Hindustani singing. Boys and girls, recently the tabla maestro lost. India has lost a tabla maestro who used to accompany them and who was known for his tabla all over the world. And he played his tabla with each one of them. Anyway, Let's start the second question. Ready, teams? Hands on the buzzer. And your question is name two seaports on the east coast and the west coast each. No is no counts. Tuticorin in the east, Kandla in the west. You could name only one. Only one as we have given 10 marks to Mavericks after half of the answer was given. We will give you also marks. Although you were to name two, you named only one. Still, I'll give you 10 marks. The two names could have been on the west coast are Kandla, Mumbai, Jawaharlal Nehru, Marmagaon, and Mangaluru and Kochi. Right? On the east are Tuticorin, Chennai, Visakhapatnam, Paradeep, Haldia, and Kolkata. Right? So any two you could have named, you get 10 full marks. Question, please help them. Give them their balls again. Ready for the question number 3? Ready, teams? Balls in your hands. Get ready. Question number 3 is why is sea water not drinkable? Why is sea water not drinkable? It is Brilliant Brigade. Because it is salty. Comes the answer. Absolutely correct. You get the mark for your correct answer. So much salt is dissolved in the sea water that it cannot be drunk. Absolutely correct. You had 10 marks to your tally. Here comes the last question of this round. Ready, teams? The question for you is on which river is Sardar Sarovar Dam built? On which river is Sardar Sarovar Dam built? You have to name the river. Sardar Sarovar Dam. Yes, it is known as no counts. Narmada is absolutely correct. Absolutely correct. You get 10 full marks for your correct answer. And with this, we have completed the first round. The buzzer round is over, and after the buzzer round, the scores are: the Mavericks are leading the table with 80 points, placed second, very close, Brilliant Brigade. The Knowledge Knockouts are leading the table with 94 points. For the second position, Mavericks and Brilliant Brigade are fighting it out with a difference of only one. Then 59 to the Trivia Troopers and Brady Balls are still placed with 53 marks. Next round will be the regulation round. I shall come to each one of the teams 4 times. So you got 40 marks in this round. There is no negative marking. However, this will be a pass round. For the pass answer, 5 marks for the first team and 3 marks for the next team. Brilliant Brigade, I'll start with you. Your question is, the total number of states and union territories in India is A. 25 and 5 respectively, B. 28 and 8 respectively, C. 28 and 9 respectively, D. 26 and 7 respectively.
B. 28 and 8 respectively.
B. 28 and 8 respectively is absolutely correct. 7 marks. Question for you. Knowledge knockouts. The river Ganga starts from A. Gangotri, B. Himadri, C. Mount Kailash, D. Mount Everest.
A. Gangotri.
A. Gangotri, very confident, absolutely correct. 10 marks. Brainy Bowl, your question is which state gets the heaviest rainfall in the country? A. Manipur, B. Assam, C. Arunachal Pradesh, D. Meghalaya.
D. Meghalaya.
D. Meghalaya is absolutely correct. 10 marks. Trivia troopers, your question is Mussoorie is an important hill station in the state of A. Sikkim, B. Uttarakhand, C. Himachal Pradesh, D. Assam.
B. Uttarakhand.
B. Uttarakhand. After a bit of hesitation, absolutely correct. Small boats that used for boating and as floating shops in Kashmir are called A. Kangadi, B. Firan, C. Shikaras, D. Dogri. Small boats that are used for boating and floating shops in Kashmir. Kangadi, Firan, Shikara, Dogri.
B. Firan.
B. Firan is not correct. Passes to you, Brainiac Brigade. Dogri is a language. Knowledge knockouts.
Shikara.
Shikara, absolutely correct. And you have 3 marks to your tally. Mavericks, the second round. And your question is which of these crops cannot be normally grown in Rajasthan? Cannot be grown in Rajasthan. A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Jawar, D. Bajra. The crop which cannot be grown in Rajasthan: wheat, rice, jawar, bajra.
Option C. Jawar.
Jawar is not correct. Trivia, it passes to you. Which cannot be grown in Rajasthan.
Bajra.
बाजरा तो राजस्थान में बहुत होता है, जो राजस्थान में नहीं होता. ब्रेनी बाउल.
Rice.
Rice is correct. So 3 marks for your team. And original question for trivia troopers. Your question is which of these best describes Banjaras? Which of these best describes Banjaras? A. They live in small villages around an oasis. B. They do not settle down at one place. C. They live in large cities and raise cattle. D. They live in fertile areas and grow crops.
Sir, B.
B. What is that? They. You will have to tell me the. B is correct, but you should tell me the full option. They do not settle down at one place. We will give you half marks as you could not tell the full option. D is correct. They do not settle down at one place. Question for you, Brainy Ball. And your question for you, Brainy Ball. And your question is, which of these states is not included in the Deccan Plateau? A. Jharkhand. B. Chhattisgarh. C. Madhya Pradesh. D. Tamil Nadu.
Jharkhand.
Jharkhand is included in the Deccan Plateau. It passes to you. Which of these states is not included in the Deccan Plateau? Jharkhand. Time up. Passes to you. Chandigarh. None of the options were Chandigarh, and Chandigarh is not a state. Chhattisgarh is not correct. Chhattisgarh is part of the Deccan Plateau. So, the correct answer will be Madhya Pradesh. Madhya Pradesh is not a part of the Deccan Plateau. Right? Okay. Question for you. Knowledge knockouts. Which of these rivers is fed with melting snow? Yamuna, Mahanadi, Narmada, Godavari. Yamuna is correct. Question for you. Brainiac Brigade, your question is, which of these rivers flow from east to west? Mahanadi, Godavari, Narmada, none of these. East to west. Narmada, after a lot of hesitation, correct is your answer. Very good. So I completed 2 rounds. The third round, I'll be starting with you, Brainiac Brigade, and your question is, black soil is specially good for A. Wheat, B. Rice, C. Millets, D. Cotton. Cotton, absolutely correct. Very calm, very composed. Correct is your answer. 10 marks. Knowledge knockouts. Your turn. And my question to you is, which of these coasts is located in the western coastal plain? A. Konkan coast. B. Malabar coast. C. Gujarat coast. D. All of these. Western coast. Konkan, Malabar, Gujarat, all of these. All of these, after a lot of thinking, comes the answer. Absolutely correct. Ready, balls? Your question. Which of these is a port city? Delhi, Bengaluru, Hyderabad, Chennai. Chennai. After a lot of thinking, correct is the answer. After this calm, composed, well thought out answer, trivia troopers, your turn. And your question is, which of these ports is also a shipbuilding center? Port as well as shipbuilding center. Mumbai, Visakhapatnam, Kolkata, Bengaluru. Kolkata is not correct. Passes to Mavericks. Ten seconds. Time up. Passes to Brainiac Brigade. Bangalore is not correct. Visakhapatnam is absolutely correct. Your question. An important seaport of Karnataka is Cochin, Kavrati, Visakhapatnam, Bangalore. Important seaport of Karnataka, Cochin, Kavrati, Visakhapatnam, Bangalore. Kavrati is not in Karnataka. It is wrong. Passes to you. Bangalore is absolutely correct. That is a 5 marks for the correct answer. Shabas. With this, we have completed 3 rounds. The last of the regulation round, I'll be starting with you, Mavericks. And your question is, the Aurobindo Ashram can be found in A. Andhra Pradesh, B. Tamil Nadu, C. Odisha, D. Puducherry. Aurobindo Ashram, Andhra, Tamil Nadu, Odisha, Puducherry. Time is passing, Mavericks. Time up. Passes to you, trivia troopers. Puducherry, after a lot of hesitation, answer is correct. 5 marks. Trivia troopers. The Gir forest, which is home to the Asiatic lion, is located in A. Gujarat, B. Maharashtra, C. Andhra Pradesh, D. Kerala. A. Gujarat, absolutely correct. Very calm, very composed, collected, and so wise is the answer. Shabas. Brainy ball, your turn. Your question is, the southernmost point of the Indian mainland is A. Indra Point, B. Chennai, C. Kanyakumari, D. Tuticorin. C. Kanyakumari, absolutely correct. Question for you, knowledge knockouts. And your question is, the southern part of India is rich in A. Agriculture, B. Minerals, C. Forests, D. Fish. Minerals, absolutely correct. 10 marks. Question for you, Rainier Brigade. Your question is, the book Satyarth Prakash was written by A. Gautam Buddha, B. Akbar, C. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, D. Ashoka. Satyarth Prakash was written by Gautam Buddha, Akbar, Swami Dayanand Saraswati, Ashoka. Ashoka did not write any books. It passes to Mavericks. Swami Dayanand Saraswati, absolutely correct. 5 bonus marks for you. With this, we have completed 2 rounds, and after the regulation round, the scores are, knowledge knockouts are still the leaders with 137. Radiant Brigade placed second with 114. Third position goes to Trivia Troopers with 89. Very closely following are Green Ball and Mavericks. Good morning, all the teams. Oh my God, what a fight it has been, and how close the teams have been once, and there have been position changes. Shabas. So we have come down to the last round. You still have got some chances because the last round has got 21 marks to be grabbed. And if a team grabs 21, there can be changes in the position. So please be ready. And I'll start this with Mavericks. Mavericks, 1 minute is the time. 7 questions to be answered and 21 marks can be grabbed. Are you ready? Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So is the timekeeper. So your time starts now. Gujarat is the leading producer of cotton. Do you agree or disagree?
Disagree.
No. Tea grows well in hilly regions of Assam. True or false?
True.
Correct. Horticulture is the practice of growing fruits, vegetables, flowers to be sold in the market. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
Right? Jute is also called the golden fiber. Am I correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
No. Guru Nanak Dev founded the Sikh religion. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
Right is right. In India, there are 3 levels of government: the central government, the state government, and the local self-government. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right? India became a republic on 15 August 1947. True or false?
True.
True is not correct. Time up. 4 3s are 12. 12 added to your tally. Tally goes to 97. Trivia troopers, your turn. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
Very good. Your time starts now. Gautam Buddha was the founder of Buddhism. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right? Rajaram Mohan Roy was a great social reformer. He tried to abolish sati practice. True or false?
True.
Right? Children up to the age of 21 years should be provided free education. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
No. The preamble of our constitution means it is a prayer. Correct or incorrect?
Correct.
No. Mahatma Gandhi is known as the father of Indian constitution. Is it right or wrong? No. Our constitution recognizes 28 languages. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
No. Onam is celebrated in Kerala. True or false?
False.
No. Only 2 correct. 3 to the 6 added to your tally takes you to 95. 95 also a good score. Brady Ball, your turn. 1 minute. 7 questions. 21 marks to be grabbed. Are you ready?
Yes, sir.
So your time starts now. Pongal is celebrated in Tamil Nadu. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Correct. Stupa of Sachi is in Uttar Pradesh. True or false?
False.
Right. Pandit Ravi Shankar is famous sitar player. Am I serious or joking?
Serious.
Right. The only riverine major port in India is Kolkata. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
No. The first train ran between Delhi and Mumbai. Am I right or wrong?
Right.
No. The north-south corridor runs from Srinagar to Kanyakumari. Do you agree or disagree?
Agree.
Right. Petroleum is found in Chota Nagpur Plateau. True or false?
False.
No. 4 correct. 4 3s are 12. 12 added to your tally takes you to 98. Knowledge knockouts. Your turn. Are you ready? 1 minute. 7 questions. 21 marks. And your time starts now. Madhubani is a dance form. Do you agree or disagree? Disagree is correct. Rajaram Mohan Roy founded Brahma Samaj. True or false? No. Hawa Mahal is in Chittor. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Right. Kalamkari and Pattachitra are popular Indian folk paintings. Correct or incorrect? Correct is correct. Ustad Zakir Hussain was a master tabla player. Recently we lost him. Right or wrong?
Right.
Right is right. Lavani is a popular folk dance of Maharashtra. Agree or disagree?
Agree.
Correct. Ludhiana is also called timer. 5 correct, 5 3s are 15 and if you are carrying, it's your turn 150 goals. Radio Brigade, your turn. Ready?
Yes, sir.
Your time starts now. Ravi Chandran Ashwin is associated with Kabaddi. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Correct. Valley of Flowers is in Uttarakhand. True or false?
True.
Correct. Uttarakhand is known as Apple State of India. Am I serious or joking?
Joking.
Yes, I was joking. The Chief Minister of Haryana is Shiv Kumar Singh Sukku. Correct or incorrect?
Incorrect.
Right. Tuticorin Port is in Kerala. Right or wrong?
Right.
No. Ice hockey is the national sport of India. Agree or disagree?
Disagree.
Right. What does RBI stand for? RBI. Full form of RBI. Time up. It is Reserve Bank of India. 15 added to your tally takes you to 129. Yes. How do I explain it? Wonderful it was. Excellent fight. You all fought so well and so differently. I'm really proud of each one of you. I'm not bothered who won and who lost, but it was initially and up to the last stage, it was a very close fight. You all made us proud. So, still we will have to give the result. दोस्तों, इतनी अच्छी फाइट के बाद कौन अगले राउंड में पहुंचा? हमें नियमों से बंधे होने के कारण परिणाम तो देना पड़ेगा, लेकिन निश्चित रूप से आप सभी बहुत अच्छा खेले, आप सभी ने हमारा ज्ञानवर्धन किया and you made us proud. When we have a look on the scoreboard, now I can say that the two teams making it to the next round are Knowledge Knockouts and Training Brigade. Others, this always next time. To my knowledgeable, wonderful, excellent audience, I would like to say, just you join your home to yourself. Exactly. Step out of it. Step wonderful. Absolutely right. Throughout the competition. You kept us lively, you kept us going, you kept us encouraging, you encouraged each one of the teams. That was wonderful. ऐसा ही तो हर ऑडियंस को होना चाहिए. आपने हर किसी का हौसला बढ़ाया, आप किसी के प्रति बायस्ड नहीं थे और स्वयं आप कितने नॉलेजेबल हैं वो आपके चेहरे से झलकता था कि हर एक क्वेश्चन का आंसर आप भी जानते थे. To my jury members, I would like to say thank you for being polite to the quiz master. You have been a great help to me. Although today I did not go to the jury many of the times. आज थर्ड अंपायर की ज्यादा आवश्यकता नहीं पड़ी. सारे फैसले मैदान से ही अच्छे हो गए थे. क्रिकेट की तरह से बार बार हम थर्ड अंपायर के पास नहीं गए. लेकिन थ्रू आउट दिस सीरीज whenever I went to the jury members, they have been right on dot. They have satisfied everyone and I am proud of you. मेरे उन दोस्तों के लिए जो आज इस हॉल में तो नहीं है हमारे साथ, लेकिन हमें फॉलो करते रहे हैं, हमारे वीडियोस देखते रहे हैं, हमें कमेंट करते रहे हैं और कमेंट के माध्यम से हम सबको सुधार के लिए प्रेरित करते रहे हैं. मैं उनको बस एक ही बात कहना चाहूंगा कि आप एक बहुत बड़ी सोर्स ऑफ इंस्पिरेशन है हम सब के लिए. आपकी वजह से हमें अच्छा लगता है. Again be with you tomorrow with the second semi-final. Till then, it's goodbye from all of us.